and it's so boring. Heard about when I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fun. Eat, sleep, love, happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you keep
Just let me know, but they show no fish. Yeah, say you found it, but
What's up? Oh, I'm scared. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rob. What you doing? I'm back with another video. If you ain't know now, you know. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe. If you're old, welcome back. Okay, y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying some cookies that I got from Crumbl Cookie. I keep calling it Cookie Crumble. From Crumbl. Alright, y'all. So the first one I'm gonna try is the cake batter. Hold on, y'all, because that looks so good. Look at that. And I have siblings and a greedy parent, so I'm going to just break a piece off, okay? So they could have some for later. But you want some crumble in there? Some more crumbles? Okay, y'all, so we about to taste it. Okay, y'all, so the cake batter is, ignore my little brother in the background. The cake batter is a 10 out of 10. It's elite. Okay, y'all. Next is the red velvet. I'm so excited to try this one. It's the red velvet cupcake. That's how it looks. This video probably gonna be short, but I like how they cook it. If you like sugar cookies, then you'll like Crumbl cookies. So let me taste this one. I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 10. I really don't like this one. I think it's because the inside tastes like chocolate. I like chocolate though, but like, that's what I'm saying. I don't really like that one. That one kind of tastes like chocolate. Okay, next is the lava one. So, mind y'all, these cookies not fresh. Like, they fresh, but they not hot. Because I was, everywhere else. But so it's supposed to have like a little melted chocolate or whatever in there. With the powder on the top. I'm not a fan of like a lot of chocolate, so I'm gonna take a little piece. Okay, y'all, so that one was a 2 out of 10 because that's too much chocolate. This one is peanut butter chocolate chip. If I ain't like the other one, I know I'm not going to like this one because it's too much chocolate. But I just want to like taste the peanut butter in it. Yo, okay. You can taste the peanut butter a lot. I think that one is like a 1. Anyways, y'all, so this one is the fudge brownie. The fudge brownie. I think I'm gonna like this one. I want to try the brownie is good that they got on top. There's so much chocolate. That one is like a 4. Okay, y'all. So next we have the cookie dough. It has cookie dough on top with chocolate chips. I think I might like this one. Cause I like the soft icing ones. The cream that they use for cookie dough is good. I'm not a fan, but it's a 8 out of 10. The cookie dough is good. Mommy, want tastings? This is my favorite. The cake batter. I mean, if I had to put them in order from greatest to least, I would do cake batter, cookie dough, red velvet, fudge brownie, the lava, and then peanut butter because, yeah. Red velvet wasn't giving at all. Like, it was giving, but it wasn't like... It's better than the chocolates, though. But my favorites is the, like, cake batter and cookie dough because Stinky Man just laughing. My favorite is the cookie dough and the cake batter because I think the icing, like, those the 2 cookies that have the little white icing on top and the cream icing. Whatever icing they have for the cookie dough, that's real good, the brown icing. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. Let me stop playing. You want a piece? You want a cookie? Stinky Man, you don't want to eat cookies? You don't want a cookie? Okay, y'all. That's going to be the end of this video. Make sure y'all tune in to the next video because as I said before, I am going to be dropping more videos for y'all. Thank y'all for getting me to 538 subscribers. We're on our way to 600. Make sure y'all give me the 600 before the end of October. That's our monthly goal. And what else I was gonna say? Go check out the previous video if you haven't. Yeah. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.